cat. Stalking joggers on the trail. El Chapo.
The wife of the world's most notorious drug lord, Emma Coronel Iasborough, publicly displayed loyalty to her husband during his weeks-long trial, becoming a constant fixture in court and a fierce defender in interviews. But now authorities say Coronel's loyalty extended to her husband's multi-billion-dollar drug empire. The 31-year-old arrested Monday at Dulles Airport outside of Washington, D.C. She's charged with participating in a conspiracy to distribute cocaine, methamphetamine, heroin, and marijuana into the U.S. Court documents allege that while El Chapo, whose real name is Joaquin Guzman, was in a Mexican prison in 2014, Coronel acted as a go-between and messenger between Guzman and his lieutenants, associates, and sons. The drug kingpin went on to famously escape that prison a year later, using a nearly mile-long underground tunnel. The getaway, court documents say, Coronel helped orchestrate. According to a witness, they discussed getting a GPS watch to El Chapo behind bars in order to pinpoint his exact whereabouts so as to construct the tunnel with an entry point accessible to him.
That's
After El
crazy.
Chapo was caught, authorities say Coronel allegedly tried to break him out again, but failed. He was then extradited to the U.S.
Emma Coronel is not the innocent individual that she pretends to be. She is very cold, calculating, and a very cunning woman.
Coronel married El Chapo on her 18th birthday in 2007. He was 50 years old. During his trial, when El Chapo asked the judge if he could hug his wife before opening arguments, the request was denied. Evidence presented in the trial showed her involvement in the criminal empire, something she denied. Telling Telemundo, I've never done anything illegal.
Oh, wait.
El Chapo was eventually convicted on all charges and sentenced to life in a super maximum security prison.
El Chapo is, when he hears about this, he's going to be very upset.
Come
The
on.
king of a multi-billion-dollar empire, now worried about his queen. We reached out to Iasborough's attorney, but
How much time did he get?
any comments on the arrest.
Stephanie, I know you covered the trial, and some of this actually came out during El Chapo's trial in 2019, so some might be wondering why did it take so long to pursue these charges against her?
Right, it did, and the idea is that they heard about those allegations.
Hey Dan, will you eat a waffle if I make some waffles?
So they could put up a strong case against her
I
now.
don't want to do it for just me.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.
I'll be honest, right now, the chances that you'll have to defend
and they can't get it down. That's funny. You had to blow that thing off there.
Good morning.
How are you?
Fine, how about yourself?
Hi, guys.
I can't hardly see it. Oh, there it is. That's a deep ass fucking tunnel. Hella deep. I wonder how far it goes. Well, good morning. How you doing? Yeah, I slept good. I slept the wrong way though. Yeah, I fell asleep with my arm up and hand under my face. And every time I do that, I pay for it. I'm sore today. Like I actually did something yesterday, but really didn't. Oh, what do you? I know. Instead, I got two. Now I got two broken computers. and needing a computer even. Dang it. I'm too mad. Try to put it back together, put the other one back together on this. I think I'm good for a minute. Thanks, but no thanks. What you got going? Oh yeah, you better get that done. You're done. You're done. Well, I'm here anyway. I can't say any more than that. Cause I don't know anything more than that. I'm here and that's it. I probably ain't gonna do a whole lot today. Well, I mean, green and sore. I should go out and walk it off. I walked down that, have you ever been on that trail out there at Tuolumne, like you're going down to the river, where you walk on the railroad tracks? It's a federally maintained walking trail. Kind of over by the casino, like you walk for the railroad tracks I even filmed it. Yeah. I'm watching it right now. Well, actually, I'm transferring the footage that I took on the trail. I'm transferring it to my phone so I can actually use it. Yeah, you will. I'm gonna post it on YouTube. That's why I'm doing it. So give me about an hour and you'll be able to see it. I've got one video on there, but I got to start posting videos. Other than that, I'm probably not going to do a whole hell of a lot today. Okay. Yeah, for sure. Because I like to walk, and I need to. I need to walk more. Yeah, exactly. That's why my car was almost out of gas, and I was over by the casino. Well, that jogging trail or that trail is right there. Like kind of like less than a mile from the casino. And it's a beautiful walk. Beautiful walk. I walked a little too far though. This is what I did do. I walked a little too far. I didn't realize it until finally when I did stop and turn back. About a third of the way back, I'm going, uh-oh. Because I knew of course then how much farther I had to get home. And I'm like, oh, here we go, Gary. Walk. By the time I got back to that car, man, I was sore. And then we didn't. Or didn't. Yeah, and then we didn't do. So, yeah, I got that punishment for you. See, what is today? Today's the 22nd? How many out? Huh? 23rd. How many hours have we got in this month right now? That's right on score with getting all my hours. But how many do we got left? Left or? Yeah, I was going to say that we can't have that much left. Okay, that's. Okay. And today you say is the 23rd? Okay, cool. Yeah, we're doing all right, man. work out just right, cause what do we got until the first 2 weeks? You're kidding, already? Oh, that's what it is. That's what it is. Well, then sometime this week we're gonna have to. I'm gonna have to figure that out. I need to do, what do I need to do? I need to get my computer back. Damn it. I just need to put that other one back together. It's just so slow that it drives me bonkers. Straight up bonkers. Oh, but I don't think today's on. I don't think today's on the list. What I should do is go walk, but I'm kind of not feeling that right now. Just a little bit. But I'll let you know. Until then, carry on and have a wonderful day, though. Oh, well, yeah, how wonderful can it be? Yep. I'll do that every day anyway. The best I can. That's all we can do, exactly. Alright, well, you have a good day, Laura. Alright, bye. Okay, stop. Okay, I need to. Don't sit on it, you ding dong. Ouch.